When we talk about the damage that was caused by an accident, one of the questions arises is, what happens to an individual who's injured in such a way that they can no longer work in a full capacity at work? So they've lost some degree of what we call earning capacity. How is that measured? How is that determined? Well, first of all, we look medically to see what the nature of the impairment is, what the disability is. What part of their job can they not do? What part of their body cannot accommodate their job? Then we look to the employer to see if that person remains employed in the same position, had to be transferred to another position, and whether there's any wage loss associated with it. But even if there is no wage loss, that is, the employer is a kind employer and puts you in a different position with no wage loss, but you're still impaired and can't do the job you did before, you still have suffered what we call a loss of earning capacity, such that, as you look at your economic horizon going forward, your ability to earn in the future, should you lose this job, and in our economy people are changing jobs all the time, should you lose that job, what is going to be the circumstance as to the power you have to earn? And it's been impaired even without loss of wages. So we measure that. Sometimes we have experts, we have economists or vocational experts that are able to quantify it. So it's a good question to ask under those circumstances how this works. And this is basically the work of a lawyer. This is really where a lawyer can help you a great deal. If you've been involved in a car accident, give our office a call. We'd love to help.